Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fold a origami frog. Real quick disclaimer, when you want to be folding this, you want the lines to be facing up, that way when you're folding, the lines will end up on the inside, and you won't have to worry about those lines showing in your final product. Also, you want to be folding on a flat surface to make it easier. Let's get on with the video. So when you start, you want to fold this top corner right here, and you want to fold it down. Kind of want to make a triangle. Then you're gonna, what I like to do is I like to flip it back over to make the crease a bit tighter. Do it both ways. You don't have to, but you can if you want. You can take this corner and fold it down just like you did the first time. And also, to make it easier, you can line up the fold that you just made. You can fold it right down so that it will be a good fold like that. Then you want to take that and you want to fold it down the right where the center point is, right here, and you want to fold it down right at that, and you want to make sure that the lines all line up, unintended. Terrible puns, I'm sorry. And then what you want to do next is you want to fold these two sides in, kind of like this. If you're having issues, you can just go back a little ways. And then what you want to do is you want to take the ends of the triangle that we just folded, and fold it up to the top to make the legs. After that, we're going to be forming the body of the frog. You're going to take the sides that are wider than the legs, and you want to fold them towards the inside. Be careful not to overfold them, because then you'll make a wonky frog. And you want to do the same to the other side. Then you want to fold this bottom part up to the middle of the diamond of the legs, where the legs are, so that you get this top area a little sticking out. And then what you want to do is you want to take the top of this and fold it down to the crease you just made for the last fold. And then there you have it, paper frog. Also, if that's not enough spring for you, what you can do, I have another frog here. If you want to add a little more extra spring in its jump, what you can do is you can add an extra fold or a few extra folds to give it a little bit more of a zigzaggy or accordion style kind of leg, and it gives it a lot more spring. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.